If you have a vertical with PowerView, sometimes you see that the veins are not able to close or open completely. In all cases, it should be possible to turn the fabrics or tilt the veins 180 degrees, so going from one side all to the other. If you want to change this, normally we do not recommend this, but if you need to change it, if it's set up wrong from production, what you should do is that you take your control, you close your blind so it turns, or so it closes totally. Just wait a second. It is important that you run from an open position to a closed position before you do the next steps. So at least, let's say 40-50 centimeters away from the end, you close it. And now what you do is that you take your manual button that is behind here, right here, you press it, and at the same time you press arrow up. It just jog and blinks red in the manual button. Now what you do is that you have went into the programming of the tilting. So right now it's closed 180 degrees, and you now turn arrow up and let it go all the way from one side to another. Just leave it running, because this is what is determining the time that it will use from turning from one side to another. That's what it will use in the future. This is it. Now it stops. Now you take your control or your remote, you press stop for 6 seconds. Now it blinks, the LED light blinks. You should not choose the channel that you have the blind on, but you now press the manual button and up. It jogs again, and now it saves the position. So now by closing the programming mode, by holding in stop for 6 seconds until stop blink, then now I have set it and said, well, okay, confirmed it, the position. So now I should be able to run to an open position, and now I run it all the way back, and I should be able to use the arrow to close it the other way around. Here it starts. And this is the full turn position when you are in an open position. If I close the blind, it will run out. And now I can use my tilting arrow up button, and it should turn 180 degrees around and close again. As it does here. Good luck.